Typical sales people, they talk a lot. But professional sales people learn to ask questions before they talk.
Okay, let's go.
So it's a matter of things na ang pagbebenta, bago lang gusto kayo ikuhan mo ha. Ang pagbebenta, just to solve the problem of clients. Bago, just to solve your problems, to get something in return. Bako yun eh. If you love doing things dahil sa karir mo, ang first thing first is to give yung magiging benefit ng magiging transactions mo. Hindi ka. Ibang-iba ang sales ha. Pag ano, okay ang sales, yes. But you should determine everything in the surroundings. Tapos kay paano mo i-consider. Minsan kasi sa sales, meron daw ka mga story kainin, tarang kainin, opinion niya. No. Isipin mo na, opinion muna. Then stand for it. If there's some mistakes, then try to ask and learn from it. Diba? Simple na naman eh. Kaysa, pagka agad mo i-opinion ng iba, pag nasala ka, sisisiyon mo, siya. They can decide it. Who will to decide? You, yourself. Not him, not her. Diba?